after long days. Yeah. Hello everyone. Yeah, how are you doing? So after 2 days back, we are together. So 2 days back, Sarah Sid had handled, and today we will continue our session. So in the last class, what had we learned? Do you remember? In the last class, what had we learned? Okay, yeah, sentence structure. So today we will just discuss and learn about the adjective degree. The adjective degree. Adjective, we have an adjective degree of 3. Sorry, can you hear? One second. Okay. We have 3 degree of adjective. What are the 3 degree of adjective? Yes. 3 degree of adjective. That is positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. So today we will learn about the adjective degree. Positive degree we never compared, whereas a comparative degree, a comparative degree we compares between 2 things, and superlative degree we compare 3 or more than. We compare more than 3. So give me the example of positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Can anyone? Yes. Can anyone give the example? The example or the words of positive degree. Positive degree. Example? Yeah. Yes. Okay. 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 So example, good, and for comparative, good is positive degree, and comparative degree, good, better, yes, and okay, best. So this is a degree. Positive degree is good, comparative is better, and superlative, yeah, so best. Now let's make a sentence using with the adjective words. The adjective words of degree. Let's make a sentence. Can anyone make a sentence? Yes. Yes. Example, he is good. Yeah, he is a good boy. And next.
He is excellent.
Okay.
My son.
Okay.
He is the best of all students.
Yeah, he is the best. Okay. So this positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree you can teach to your students with an accent. Example, this is small, and this one bigger. This is small, bigger, and this one biggest. Okay, so you can teach to your students with accent. So let's start. Small. What is this? Small.
Bigger.
Okay, yeah. Sorry. Okay. Small, smaller, smallest, or big, bigger, biggest. Okay, let's start from big. Example, big, bigger, and biggest. Okay, and now small. Example, this is small. Small, smallest. Okay, now example, tall. Tall, yeah, tallest. Okay, now long, longer, longest. Okay, now short. Shortest. Okay, so let's make a sentence now. So are you ready? So example, just we have mentioned, we'll use with the pronoun. Okay, he is small. Let's start with small. He is, yeah, and he is smallest. Okay, now he is tall. Example, tall. Yeah, he is the tallest. Okay, now he is good. Example, good. He is good. Yes. He is better. He is the best. Okay, now younger. I am young. Example, I am young.
I am
Okay. Yes, I'm the youngest. Now, I am old. Yeah, I am old. I am older.
I am oldest.
Yeah, I am the oldest. So, yeah, when we talk about the superlative degree, we usually use the article the. Yes, we usually use the article the. The tallest, the biggest, the strongest. Yes? Oldest. All, older, oldest. Okay, now let's go for elder. Example, elder. Yes? Yes. Okay, now example, let's take beautiful. Beautiful. Yes. Beautiful.
He is more beautiful.
Yes. Yeah, he is the most beautiful. Yes. And next, let's take about smart. Smart. Yes. He is smart. He is smarter. He is the smart. Yeah. Smartest. Okay. So as the same way you can use. Now let's start and let's repeat again. Small. Okay, example, please give me the example. Strong. Example, I am strong. Okay, yes. So I'm weak. I am weaker. Yes, I am the weakest. Brave. Example, brave. Brave. Yes. Okay. I am the. Oh yes, correct. And next, I am. Okay. I am cool. Example. I am cool. I am the coolest. So, example, if the boy is a smart student, how you will say? No, suppose a student is very smart. How will you give a compliment? Okay, yes. And if he is like more smart than the other, he is okay, yes. He is smarter than. Okay, yeah. He is smarter. Okay, the smartest means which is something the highest, right? Okay, let me ask a question and you have to answer. Okay, who is smart? This is very important and you can ask a question to a student. Who is smart? Just give an example. Who is smart? Who is smart? Answer. Okay, who is smarter? Okay, who is the smartest? Okay, yes. So, who is tall? Okay. So now we'll make a question. Make a question, use with small. Make a question. Make a question using with small. Okay, who is small? And the second, comparative. Who is smaller? And superlative. Who is the? Yeah, who is the smallest? Okay, now tall. Yes. Yes. Okay, yes. So now short. Example short. Yes. Who is shorter? Yeah, who is the shortest? Okay, who is clever? Now, clever. Use with clever. Yes. Who is cleverer? Yeah, who is the cleverest? Okay, so now good. Who? Use with who? Good. Okay, who is good? Who is better, who is the best. And this is a positive adjective. Now let's use a negative. Negative. Example, weak. Weak is negative. Yes. So weak. Who is weak and who is weaker? Yeah. Who is the weakest? Yes. Who is bad? No. Bad. Yeah. Bad, worse. Yes. Okay. So, yes. Who is? Okay. Next. Okay. Yeah. Who is the worst? Who is dirty? Yes. Make a question with comparative and superlative. Dirty.
Who is dirty?
Yes.
Dirtiest. Who is the dirtiest?
Yeah. Who is dirtier and who is the dirtiest? Okay. Yeah. Dirty, dirtier, dirtiest. Who is dirty in the class? Who is dirtier and who is the dirtiest? Okay. Yeah. So this adjective degree, you can make a sentence, and as well you can ask a question. So when you are taking class, you can ask a question to your students. Who is smart? Who is smarter? Who is the smartest? Yeah. Who is strong? Who is stronger? Who is the strongest? Okay. So now, can you hear me? Yes, can you hear me? Yeah, okay. So you can use both sentence and a sentence with answer and a question. So you can ask and you can approach the students by asking a question. Who is good? Who is bad? Or who is the smartest? Or who is the best? Or who is strong? Who is stronger? Or who is the strongest? So you can use the adjective question. Now we will learn a small rhymes, and by that we will conclude because of the time. If I take for a long hour, you'll get bored. That is why this will make it short, and we will learn each day like some few words and a few sentences and a few topics which it will be very useful to practice in the schools. Okay, so we'll start a rhymes. See, example, when we teach them a rhymes, first of all, you have to write the rhymes.
Hello.
Yeah, can you please mute?
Hello.
Yeah.
Please mute.
Yeah, if possible, yeah. So when you teach a rhyme to a students, first of all, you have to write the rhymes on a blackboard. You have to sing and you have to do the accent. But before that, if you are going to sing about, like example, the rhymes of cat. So what you need to do, if suppose the rhyme is about cat, or if suppose the rhymes is about the bus, or if if suppose the rhyme is about animals, how will you ask and how will you have a conversation before you begin the rhymes? In short, example. For more example, we are going to sing a rhymes about cat. So we have to have a conversation. So how will you ask me a question regarding about a cat?
We can ask like, have you seen a cat?
Yes, correct.
What is the color of a cat?
Yes,
One of you like
yes. Do you like cat?
How many of you have cat as a pet?
Yes. And there are many questions. Yes. Is the cat is cute? Yes. Next.
What sound did the cat make?
Yes. Next. Okay. So these are the questions we have given. Do you know cat? Have you seen cat? Or do you have a cat? What is the color of the cat? So these all are about the conversation. When you ask a question and when we talk about a cat, the students easily understand what is cat. And as well, they learned a question and they learn even how to give a reply. So example, if I ask you, do you have a cat? How will you respond? How will you give me the answer? Do you have a cat?
No.
Yes. No, I don't. I don't.
Have a cat.
Yes. Okay. Do you like cat?
Yes.
Okay. What is the color of the cat?
The cat's color is white.
Okay. Do you have a cat at home? Okay. Is your cat is beautiful? Okay. Do you play with cat? Okay. So, do you like cat? What is the name of your cat? Okay. So, these things before you begin the rhymes, you can have a conversation. So, after when you make a rapport between the students and you, now you can start a rhymes. So, as the same patterns you can follow while teaching. And now let's learn the rhymes. Okay. So, have you ever heard about pussycat? Pussycat rhymes? Okay. So, maybe some of you know and some of you might know. So, because of that, let's learn together. Okay. Pussycat, pussycat. You can follow after me. Yeah. Where have you been? I've been to London to look at a queen. Pussycat, pussycat. Okay, it is about a cat. So let's try it again. So pussycat, pussycat. been? I've been to London to look at a queen. Pussycat, pussycat. Okay. The rhymes is very short, but the students can learn the meaning of the cat, the object, and they can learn the importance, and they can learn even the question and answer. So it's very simple. Pussycat, pussycat, where have you been? I've been to London to look at a queen. Pussycat, pussycat. Okay, it's very simple. Pussycat, pussycat, where have you been? I have been to London to look at a queen. Pussycat, pussycat. It's very simple. Okay, can anybody sing?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please try. Okay, great. So anybody? Okay, great. Okay. So by this we'll conclude, and we will discuss more things tomorrow. But before we conclude, let's... Yes, sir. Let's learn the adjective degree. Let's revise again. So in short, we will do the accent. We will do the accent, and we will just boost our energy, and after that we'll bind up our class. So we will use 3 adjectives, all the 3 adjectives, and I will note you down. The first is example, great. Great. The first one, great, strong, great, strong. They got it? Great, strong, smart, tall,
Long.
okay, long. So now let's start, and if possible you can stand, and now I'll stand, and we'll do the accent. Okay, example, the first one is, what is the first one? Huh? Great. Great, right? Okay, now I am great. I am greater. I am the greatest. Okay, you can just do the accent and you can teach to the students. Okay, let's do together. 1, 2, 3. We'll do together. The greatest. Okay, now I am strong. Example, I am strong. Stronger. Strongest. next is smart, right?
Smart.
Okay, yes. Okay, once let me end it.
I am smart.
Okay, you can see I am
Smart.
I am smart. I am smarter. I am the smartest. Okay, so I am smart. I am the smartest. Okay, now tall. I am tall. I am the tallest. Okay, now what is the last one?
Long.
Okay, long. I am long. Okay, so yeah, anybody can do the accent, and anybody can speak. By this, let's conclude. Anyone?
I am small.
Yeah, you can continue. Yes?
I am small.
Mhm.
And I am the smallest.
Okay. Next.
I am
Okay, I'm big.
I am big.
Okay. Okay, so by this we'll find out. But you know, everybody knows this. But we never utilize and we never use it. So we have to utilize and we have to use, and as well we have to teach the students. Everybody knows it, but we don't know the systems and a technique, how to handle the students in an understanding way and in an easy way. So this is a systematic order. You can ask a question and they can reply the answer. So thank you. Thanks for your thanks for your performance, and we will see it again tomorrow. So to conclude, who will lead the national anthem? Who will lead the national anthem? Okay, yeah. So let's start the national anthem.
Sir, I am ready.
Okay, yes. Thank you. Have a beautiful time ahead. Bye bye. See you again.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, it's my pleasure.